Today my guest is Alyssa Gagarin, the founder of Meal Prep Chef. Oh, does this come with dessert? Fantastic. Alyssa, tell us, what are the benefits of preparing your own food?
Well, meal prep is all about setting yourself up for success. It eliminates any stress or guesswork about what to eat when you've prepared it already in advance. Plus, it leaves no room for temptation. Also, you have total control over what you're putting into your food and therefore what's going into your body. So the health benefits are totally endless. So that's a win.
That's a big win.
Yeah.
You are also a fitness trainer. Are there any foods that you can recommend that might help sustain energy?
I eat and encourage people to eat as close to nature as possible. So the fewer ingredients, the better. But sources of energy that I turn to are real whole foods like sweet potatoes, avocado, eggs, and yogurt. Yogurt's a great source of protein, but you gotta watch out because most of what's on your grocery store shelf is loaded with added sugar.
I didn't know that.
Read your labels.
I will. Aren't some sugars better than others?
Well, you could swap out your processed sugars for sugars from nature like honey and maple syrup, and that's definitely a step in the right direction because those have some added benefits. But the way your body processes sugar is gonna be the same. So it kind of sucks, but a gram of sugar is a gram of sugar, regardless of the source.
Really?
Yeah.
So if I want to cut back on sugar, does that mean I have to give up sweets entirely?
No, there's actually some awesome high quality ingredients out there you can use. Organic stevia comes from a plant and it's up to 300 times sweeter than sugar. So you can use that in your recipes and result in zero sugar.
What is your favorite sweet treat?
I love making no-bake cookie dough bars. They're loaded with nut butter, which is a healthy source of fat, sweetened with organic stevia, and topped with melted chocolate from pure cacao.
That sounds divine. You know, some foods seem healthy but actually aren't. What's one food that everyone should stop eating right now?
Dried fruit.
Breathe in, breathe out, and subscribe.